sort of talk properly without losing my voice. I've just finished my live painting and I came upstairs and sunshine. So I'm sitting in bed in the sun. Cyril's joined me too, look, he's here. Say hello. Hello. So we're enjoying the sunshine for a minute. It's so nice. I'm just going to lay here for a bit. I need to get my arse in gear really and go and get dressed. I'm still in my pyjamas. I don't know what the time is actually. Alexa, what's the time? There we go. Thank you. I always have to say thank you to her. Yeah, so it's like 9:40. Oh, it was a long painting this morning. It was an hour and 20 minutes, I think, something like that. But I finished it, and it's up on Etsy. And I did all the usual stuff with, which I don't like doing, putting it up on Facebook and Instagram. I forget that I'm still. That's work. Look at my hands and spray paint. Oh, I'm going to have a bath, and then I've got some eBay orders to pack up, and I've also got some paintings that I sold to send as well. So anyway, catch you later. Bye. It's so nice to see the sun shining and all the pretty things from the mirror ball. That's my birdie, cock-a-doodling. And we sit in the sunshine. Glitzy, glitzy. This is my chill out room. I'm going to get a log burner to go in there. That doesn't work. It's nice with the sparkly light, and that's what I did yesterday. Look nice and see. Just like a face. I see the two eyes. I see faces and everything. It's just nice to see the sun. I like the sparkle. Makes me happy. Hi. Here's another vlog that I'm doing. I forget to video what I'm supposed to be like throughout the day. I forget to video things, so you're gonna have to bear with my vlogginess that I'm doing at the moment. I'm sure I get better if I remember to actually video what I'm doing. It does help when you're making a vlog, doesn't it, to do such things. So this one is just me packing some things and painting a bit, and this area, that's my bedroom there, don't look in there. Should have pulled the curtain over. This is my messy eBay room, but yeah. Those people don't know that I also sell vintage stuff on eBay as well, but so stop doing it. I stop thinking this so because there's a fire down there, so let's sit in the fire. Anyway, I hope you enjoy my little vlog things. I'll stop saying as well. I'm sure I'll get better at it as I go along. It's sort of giving me something to focus on as well, and just sharing stuff with you and everything, and always all the time. And
is my washing done? It's beeping, telling me it's finished. I should, I don't know what I'm saying really, so Cyril's just going to sit there and make a bed. He likes sitting there. So I just waffle really, so it's good to have a bit of Mitzi waffling. I'm really good at that. It's the best thing. Yeah, the reason why I'm doing these vlogs is to make me be more focused on what I'm doing in my life, because at the moment I'm feeling lost. I've got like no direction, no, I don't know. I'm like in this like limbo thing. I don't think the current situation with the COVID, and we're in tier 3 up here, is really helping, and I'm just bored of it, and I need some direction in my life and something, I don't know. I'm just like in this, and it's going to be the first time that I'm not with my family for Christmas, which is going to be weird. It's just me and my son. Well, it's my family. If I see him every day, bored of him. Honestly, my daughters and my granddaughter, but it doesn't look like I'm going to get to see them this year. At times, but I have to make the most of it. Everyone's in the same situation, but since this year's been terrible, and since what happened to me at the beginning of the year, it's thrown me. I've got to this point where, what am I supposed to be doing? What am I doing? Who am I? What's my focus? So yeah, back to why I was doing this, is it's maybe to give my life a bit more meaning, if that's possible. Who knows?
Change my name, I never liked it anyway. Maybe you'll try to recognize me.
trying to show you what I've got on. I've got a, well, there we go. I'll come closer and explain things. I got stuff in my hair, I don't know if you can see. Bend down. I've got a top from H&M on, dungaree things. They're really cool. Look, they're like, and they go up the sides. I've got like fishnet leggings on. I've got a scarf that I've had for yonks. That's a new word. See, I can't even video my face. It's not my phone camera, it's my other camera, so maybe I should just like zoom out and whatever. You can't even see. I've got like this floaty sheer jacket on. I think it's like a beach cover up thing. I've got that from TK Maxx, I think. Yeah, TK Maxx. And a lot of boots on I had on yesterday, and I've got some stripy socks. So yeah, that's what I got. And I got I don't know if you can see my eyes closed. Sparkly gold makeup on for a change. Anyway, there you go.
I'm not happy, but I'm not sad. Flux of emotions, my head's spinning out. I've been thinking too much. I got time on my hands. Need to escape reality for the sake of myself. I'm kinda stuck down on my luck. Don't know what it is, but I'm in a funk. Staring at the wall, can't shake what I'm feeling at all. I don't wanna have to find ways to distract myself. Won't drink it away or smoke like a wreck. I'm not gonna find myself in somebody else's bed. I'm trying to figure out how to find happiness. I'm stuck in my head. Oh, how will this end? Everybody has their vices. I don't know what mine is. I need a break from the world around me. I'll shut everyone out. I just need a second to breathe.